Hello friends, welcome back to Fun with Ananya. So today we are going to create a Click Me button app using only 3 components using Mighty App Inventor. So now let's see how to create it. To open a Mighty App Inventor, go to your Google Chrome browser and type MIT App Inventor. Click on the first link. And I am going to click on Create Apps. Now start a new project and give your project a name. So let me give it as Click Me. Make sure you don't give spaces. Instead, you can use underscore. Click OK so that your project is created. Now your project is created named Click Me. So now let's drag a button from user interface so that it is clickable. So this button does not look interactive. To make it interactive, go to your properties section and change the height to 50% and click on OK. Width to 60% and click on OK. Let's change the text of button 1 to Click Me. After that, let's change the font size because this one is really small. Let's change it to 30. Now let's change the background color to red and the text color to white. Don't forget the shape. Let's keep it as oval. After your button is looking good enough, drag a component called horizontal arrangement from layout. So go to the layout and drag horizontal arrangement below the button. Put the button inside the horizontal arrangement. Now in the properties of horizontal arrangement, change the height and width to fill parent and click on OK. The vertical and horizontal arrangement to center. When you're done with this, drag another component called text to speech from media. So go to media and drag text to speech. Now you can see that I have dragged text to speech component and it is also visible in the component section. But where is it in the viewers section? Well, it is a non-visible component. It is not at all visible, but it functions something. So now let me give you a quick explanation on what is text to speech. It is nothing but it just converts the text to speech. For example, I give the text to be Fun with Ananya. It is just not really good when it displays Fun with Ananya. It is good when it says Fun with Ananya. For that we use text to speech. So whatever text we give, it is going to convert it to speech. Here we are done with the designer section. It is going to look same like this, but it is not going to function anything because we haven't coded in the block section. So now let us move on to the block section and code it to create our app. So we will be doing here 3 things. When the button 1 is clicked, we will be calling the text to speech and then we will be giving the text. To do that, click on button 1. After that, you can see so many options, but we are not going to use all of these. We are just going to use this one, when button 1 click. Drag this and place it here. This means when button 1 is clicked, it has to do something. So to do that, go to text to speech. Again, you can see so many options. We don't need all of these. We only need call text to speech. Drag it and put it here. So when the button 1 is clicked, it is going to call the text to speech. Now it is still not completed. There is a small space over here. To fill that, we need a message for it. You can see that when button 1 is clicked, it is calling the text to speech. But what does it say? So we will go to text and then drag this, which is really small, and it is a string which contains the text which we are going to give. So let me put it here. Let me give the text to be Fun with Ananya. Now we are done. So the basic idea of this code says that when the button 1 is clicked, it will call the text to speech. After it calls the text to speech, it is going to speak this message, Fun with Ananya. So whenever we click the red color button, it is going to say Fun with Ananya. So that's it, and our app is now created. The last step is to now run the code. Go ahead and open your AI companion in your Android device. Click on Connect and you will see AI companion. Click it.
So this is how it looks like when I click on this button.
Fun with Ananya.
Did you see that? It said Fun with Ananya. So that's it for today. If you like my video, don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel to see many more videos. If you have any comments, please do post it in the comments section, and if you feel this video was really useful, then why are you waiting? Just share it to your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.